Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and we're here on another video. So in the background, that apartment complex is Wellington Road. We're gonna take a closer look on it as well, but we're not only here for that apartment, but a few other development in this area. Alright, so down here we're looking at Wellington Drive. That road brings you back into Ligani. Over there is the US Embassy, one of the places that a lot of people want to go to get their visa rather than going across that Mexico border. And on Wellington Drive we have W39, very nice apartment complex as well. So in this area there's at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 development happening. I have separate videos on them where I did more detailed videos in the past, but today we're gonna take a look at all 5 developments in one video. So it's gonna be mainly drone because, you know, for most of the development you can't see over the wall, especially the Hambani estate. So that's what we're gonna look on today. So Wellington Roads apartment complex, underground parking. They have pool on top and pool at the back as well. So we'll do some drone shots of this. Color is not bad. I don't like the brown integration, but overall the color is not bad to me. Let me know what you guys think. So from Wellington Roads, I'll put the link for a more detailed video on that in the comments, and I'll put the link for previous video on every one of the 5 complex in the comments as well, so you guys can see. Around the corner here is a small, you guys won't be able to see, they can just see the roof here. So it's a small three tenant, I would say, townhouse complex. Before the development it was literally rock stone and bush, and they cleared that and turned it into a nice small development. So I'll fly the drone there as well so you guys can see, and we'll come along to W39, which is 2 clusters of apartment complex, luxury apartment. That's how they promoted it. They have underground parking, pool, gym, other amenities as well. And then from there we have the well talked about, very expensive Hambani estate, which is villa type townhouse complexes. So you can see a part of it there. They're right next door to the US Embassy. So very expensive real estate. Some of the villas are going for over 1.4 million US, so that's over 200 million Jamaican dollar. Each villa has its own pool. Some of them 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, 3-car garage, 2-car garage. So I'll fly the drone over it as well so you guys can see the progress of the development. And then basically behind Hambani estate is another small apartment complex that they converted a single family lot into an apartment complex. And we've seen a lot of that nowadays. They're taking some small single family lots and putting up an apartment, 5 floors, 6 floors, and getting multiple units out of them. So a lot of development happening, a lot of transformation of single lots in Kingston is happening as well. Even behind Wellington Road, I see where they're doing some demolition of the current single dwelling unit that's there, and I'm sure it's going to be turned into an apartment complex. So I won't talk about the entire video, but it's mainly drone shots. Just wanted to give you guys a context of what we're covering today. And then I can't miss it, up in the hills, one of the best location for an apartment complex. So it's up in the hills, Tavistock Drive, Millsborough going up. You find the Spyglass, very fancy name. I did a video on it about probably 3 months ago, 4 months ago. I think probably in another month I'll go back. So the apartment complex, they're almost finished. So 1, 2, 3, I think 4 apartment complex cluster, and then I have about 15 townhouses on the front right here. Very nice development up in the hills. You can see everywhere from up there. So that's the Spyglass up in the hills. Right, so that's what we're taking a look on today. You guys leave your comment on every complex, each complex. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. Hambani estate, over $1.4 million US. for one of the villas. So let me know what you think about that development as well. So we're gonna send up the drone, guys, so stay tuned and remember to comment. So let's get into some drone shots. you.